Hey there, teacher friends. Let's say that you have downloaded a juicy new facelift package for your TPT store, and you want to go in and replace the graphics on your store page. And when I say graphics, I'm talking about three things. I'm talking about the graphic in the quote box, which is this one right here, your leaderboard graphic, which is what goes above your featured items, and there's another optional box. Of course, they're all optional, but there's another graphic you can put over here in the left column that I don't have enabled right now. But let's say that you want to go ahead and update all three. You've paid some hard-earned money on a facelift. So the first thing you need to do to change your quote box graphic is to go over here to your account underneath your logo in the upper right, and then you're going to go in the left sidebar to store profile. And then you're going to scroll down and you choose edit. And then you're going to navigate to the file that you want to use. So you're going to go to choose file. And I suggest that you save your files to the desktop to make them easier to find. Now, there's two of each type in this folder. Let's do the animated one. We'll put that in there. And then you need to put in a link in this box right here. And what you should probably try to do is put in your follow link there, because we are no longer allowed to link off of the TPT site. So you should probably put a following link there, or you can link to your bestsellers or whatever you may want to do. But once you've done that, then you scroll down and you click on save, and then it will show you your new graphic at the top of this page. It's taking a little bit of time to do this. Okay, there we go. So there's that new graphic. Good deal. And so now to change the other two. So what you're going to want to do there is you're going to want to go to your dashboard. And that's in underneath your little store icon. And it's over here under Manage Your Store Dashboard. So you do that, and then you click on Marketing right there, which is the third thing. And then you want to click on Customize, and you upload your own banners. Then it's going to bring up this extra, it's going to open up a new tab. And so you can see here that I don't have that sidebar, that side column graphic enabled. So now I'm going to switch to the new graphic. So I'm going to do choose file, and I'm going to choose the animated version of that one. And I'm going to keep that product page link like it is. So I'll click save there. And then that will load. And then I need to go down and do the same thing for this. So I'm going to choose a file, and I'm going to go to the animated version of this one. Oh, no, that's not the animated one. There we go. Animated. And then you need to put in a URL of some type. And because you can go back to your store and choose. You could do your follow link, or you could choose another. Like, let's say I want it to link to one of my custom categories. So you right click on that, and you can do copy link address. So you want to do that if you want to choose one of your links in your store. And then I'm going to put that right here under product page link. So I'm going to paste it in using Control V. And I've already uploaded the graphics, so I click save. And so exciting. So then I go back over here and I refresh this page, which is my store page. And now you can see that I have given my store a completely new facelift. So that's very, very exciting. So that is how you upload those three store customizable graphics on your TPT store.